What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to connect Bluetooth speakers with your Windows PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Firstly, ensure that your Bluetooth speaker is in pairing mode. The method to activating pairing mode varies between different speaker models, so refer to your speaker's manual if you're unsure how to do this. Generally, it involves holding down a Bluetooth button on your speaker until you see a blinking light, indicating that it's discoverable. Once your speaker is in pairing mode, head over to your Windows PC. Click on the Start menu and open Settings. In the Settings window, navigate to the Devices or Bluetooth and Devices section, which is where all your connected devices and Bluetooth settings are managed. In the Devices section, click on Bluetooth and Other Devices, located on the left sidebar. Here, you'll see an option to add Bluetooth or other device. Click on this to open a new window where you can add your Bluetooth speaker. In the Add a Device window, select Bluetooth. Your PC will now search for available Bluetooth devices. After a moment, you should see your Bluetooth speaker listed among other Bluetooth devices. Click on your speaker's name to initiate the connection. Your PC will take a few seconds to connect to the Bluetooth speaker. Once connected, you'll see a notification confirming that the device is ready to go, and your Bluetooth speaker will be listed as connected in the Bluetooth settings. Lastly, head to your Windows Sound settings under System, Sound. Here, select the connected speaker as your sound output device and adjust its volume. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.